I don't care that I've already done a Burger King video. I'm here again. I'm making another one. I'm so hungry. I'm so excited. Everybody can hate on me. I love Burger King. Work was weird today. I had to cover in a different branch. It was dumb busy. Oh yeah. No tomato, no ketchup. I'm hungry. I'm eating it right now. It's really bright. I'm sorry. I've been waiting all day. All day, guys. It is absolutely beautiful here today. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna go home. Probably get changed. I'm very warm in this, honestly. It is so nice outside. I am out earlier than my usual. Normally I'm like 9 to 5. But this bank branch closes at 4. So good. Also, look at these adorable earrings. These were $4 at Newbury Comics. Random, but more happy about this than I should be. Burger King, small is large enough. Trust me. Also, I'm telling you guys, you know I already preached this. Look at the damn fries. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. They're so thick. This is just what I want in a fry, I guess. I think I talk about the fries too often. People have had enough. Trying to think of anything else exciting going on. Not sure how the lighting really is. I just wanted the food closer to you guys. I understand. It's really hard doing it in the living room and like pulled back. It's really... These YouTube people make it look like it takes no effort. And it's hard. Yeah, we're in a pandemic, but I honestly feel like I've been busy. Not like seeing too many people, just like I feel like every day I got stuff to do, got errands to do. I think I also definitely enjoy lazy time more than I did before COVID. I also got some nuggets. No, I don't do these, but I want some. Okay. I'm not upset. I'm not a big chicken nugget person because I'm weird with chicken. Sweet and sour? Yes. Hope everybody's doing well. I felt like eating trash today. I gave in. Also, I don't know if anybody watching this is near, like, in the South, or if you are near a fast food place called Cookout, please go. If you've never been, they have the best freaking shakes. I'm not even kidding. It's like my boyfriend got one. It was blueberry cheesecake. They make the shake. They put a literal slice of cheesecake in it. It was so thick. Straw? No. Spoon. Thank you. We got that, and then I demanded that we go again the next day. And I got the cherry cobbler one. They're not slacking on it. Like, it is like real whole slice of cobbler in it. The pie crust was so flaky. It was very emotional. I'm also weird with shakes. They kind of hurt my tummy normally. This one was rich as hell, and it didn't even matter. I downed it. I'm doing my happy dance a lot. I really debated filming this, not because I was like, I've already done a Burger King video, but I just don't care. Something about a burger, some fries, satisfied. Some man came into the bank today, not wearing a mask. It was a whole thing, let me tell you. They were saying he has his rights, whatever. And we're rebuttaling, saying like, yeah, okay, we make accommodations, like, we can help you in all of these ways, X, Y, and Z. Screaming. Excuse me. Literally screaming. He threw paperwork at us, like saying like this was all of his rights. Threw the paper. Long story short, we had to call the cops because he actually was refusing to leave. And the cops show up and they're like, yeah, we know this guy. He's a frequent flyer. And that was even my argument back to the man, because he was being so rude to us. And I was like, do you just have this conversation everywhere you go, sir? And he's like, I have 55 cases open. You're just ready to fight. That's all you want to do. But that was kind of the excitement of my work day. But whatever. I'm a little upset how good these nuggets are. They're also $1.50 for like 10 of them. Like, what? I don't think I'll be able to finish them. I'm still in pure bliss. Don't take it from me yet. Nope. It's really nice out. I'm very tempted to have a couple drinks, but I don't know. So fucking good, you guys. Heaven. I'm in heaven. Crunch. Crunching and munching. Crunching, crunching, munching. Alright. I feel like I ate pretty fast for me. Not much to say. Just eating some food. I always have to make sure there's a pickle in my last bite. There is. I also hope everybody is enjoying this nicer weather and daylight savings, which brought us more daylight. Definitely is a game changer for me, I'll tell you that. I mean, some days you get out of work in like the winter, you know, and it's dark out. It was your whole day. You work and then you come out and then it's nothing. Well, that was Burger King. Round 2. I love you all. Like and subscribe.